Hola clase, bienvenidos. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los mandatos y los pronombres. Okay, so today we're going to talk about what to do with a pronoun when using it with a command. Okay, remember that a command is used to tell someone what to do. Okay, so for example, get out your note guide. Have a writing utensil with you. Those are both commands, okay, that I'm telling you to do in order to get ready for this flipped video. Okay, but what if I wanted to say there, instead of get out a pencil, what if I wanted to say get it out? Or instead of writing the information down, what if I just said write it? Or buy me something? Okay, that would involve a command, buy, but it would also involve an object pronoun, me. Okay, so what do we do with that object pronoun? We've got two simple rules here. First, if I have an affirmative command with a pronoun, I need to attach it to the command. Okay, you learned and reviewed this in Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. Okay, so this will look familiar to you. If I was saying, for example, and please write this down on your note guide, look at it. Okay, so instead of saying look at the TV and saying mira la televisión, if I want to say look at it, mírala. Okay, so what I did here is I attached that object pronoun to the command. Okay, you will notice also that I added an accent. I will address that here in just a moment. Here's another example for you. Please write this down in your note guide. Read them would be léelas. Again, I attached the object pronoun las. And listen to me. I have escúchame. Okay, so on your note guide, make sure you include this information. You can see here that I am attaching the pronoun to the command. And essentially, when I'm doing that, I'm adding another syllable to that word. So because I'm doing that, I need to add an accent. Okay, and to preserve my stress, where that accent goes is going to be typically the third vowel from the end of the word. Okay, and that's just because that's where your stressed vowel typically is. Okay. What happens if I have a negative command? Okay, so a negative command, remember, is telling someone not to do something. So don't do your homework. Don't eat my sandwich. But instead of saying don't eat my sandwich, what if I wanted to say don't eat it? How would I do that? Where would the lo go? Okay, write this down on your note guide. For a negative command, pronouns are placed before the verb and after the no. Okay, so some examples. Please write these down on your note guide. No la mires. Don't look at it. Don't read them. No las leas. And don't listen to me. No me escuches. Okay, there were obviously no accents or anything to worry about here because we're not attaching a syllable. Okay, we're not extending that word, so no need to worry about an accent. That's with affirmatives only. Okay, so we're down to section 3 in your note guide. This is just a little recap and practice. You got your rules here. If you have an affirmative command, remember you will attach it to the command and you will add an accent. Okay, that accent will typically be on the third vowel from the end. Okay, when you have a negative command, the pronoun goes before the verb and after no. Okay, so look at our example here. This example number 1 says, describe the book. To say describe it, I have descríbelo. Number 2, take the notes. If I want to say take them, tráelos. Negative commands. You've got here, number 1, don't describe the book. Okay, so it's negative. The pronoun is going to go between no and the verb. No lo escribas. And number 2, don't take the notes, no los traigas. Okay, here would be my best advice to you because some people get a little mixed up as to where the pronoun goes with commands. My advice would be memorize one verb affirmatively and negatively so that you'll know where the pronoun goes. Okay, so for example here, ayúdame, help me. No me ayudes. Okay, don't help me. So again, you could get that just easily, just memorize one verb. Ayúdame, no me ayudes. Ayúdame, no me ayudes. Okay, and that would help you down the road go, okay, if ayúdame means help me, what did I do with the pronoun? I attached it. Okay, or you could do another one, bésame, no me beses. Okay, kiss me, don't kiss me. Okay, now let's move on to the practice section of your note guide. Our directions here tell us, answer these questions with a command and a pronoun. Before you start here, take a look at 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to answer with affirmative commands and a pronoun. So for example, in number 1, it says, should I eat breakfast? Yes, eat it. Okay, so the command of comer would be come. And then to say it, you're taking el desayuno and replacing it with the object pronoun lo. So you get comelo. Where should your accent go on comelo? If you counted third vowel from the end, you should have put it on the O. Okay? For numbers 5 through 8, you're going to use a negative command to answer these questions. So for example, in number 5, should I drink milk? No, don't drink it. Okay? First, do your command. The negative command of beber would be no bebas. And then you need to replace milk with the object pronoun it. Okay, remember the object pronoun is going to go between no and the verb. So it's going to go right here, and you'll get no las bebas. Okay, please pause me and work through the remaining practice problems. Okay, let's review. Number 2, should I watch the movie? Sí, mírala. 3, should I buy boots? Sí, cómpralas. 4, should I write the letter? Sí, escríbela. 5, should I drink milk? We did that together. Let's go to 6. 6, should I set the table? No, no la pongas. Did you do this negative command correct here? Okay, remember to form a negative to-form command, you got to go to the yo form, drop the O, and add the opposite to-form ending. Okay, number 7, should I use the phone? No, no lo uses. And 8, should I do the chores? No, no los hagas. Again, did you get this negative to-form command correct? Okay, if you have any questions about today's lesson, please jot that down on your note guide. But again, hopefully what you're taking away is what's in that chart on section 3. That when you have an affirmative command, you attach that pronoun. And when you have a negative command, that pronoun goes between no and the verb. Okay? Again, my best advice to you would be just memorize one verb. Ayúdame, no me ayudes. Okay? Muchas gracias por ver y adiós.